In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert BNB to Solana on Axiom. So if you need an account on Axiom, I'll leave a link in the description and it will give you 10% off trading fees. But nonetheless, once you've got your BNB inside of your Axiom account, if you go ahead and click on your wallet in the top right hand corner, it will show you the total value of your account. You can see I'm holding BNB currently. If I wanted to convert this to Solana, we can go ahead and click on the arrow icon. So if we click on that, it will open up the exchange. And what you can do is you can convert your BNB to Solana. So by default, it's going to swap Sol to BNB. We want to go the other way. So if we click on this arrow, it's going to change it. So BNB is the main balance. So now we're swapping BNB for Sol. You can enter in a number here, or if you click on the max balance button in the top right, it will then add the max balance. It will then get you a quote. You can now see this is how much Solana we're going to get. If you're happy with that, click on confirm, and then in a second that will go through. Okay, so now that's done. What we can do is we can change back from BNB to our Solana balance. And if we refresh and just wait a sec, it will update our balance and the exchange has been done.